Welcome, my wonderful soul. Welcome to your morning meditation. This is the time to set the tone for the day. By grounding yourself, by focusing yourself, and opening yourself up to positivity. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and allow yourself to settle into steady breath. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your belly, feeling the rise and the fall of your breath. No matter what thoughts the mind jumps through, how much ever the pull of distraction, the need to open your eyes, stay within this gentle space of silence and focus on your breathing. And if that is feeling like a bit much, I want you to place your left hand over your heart and your right upon your stomach. And visualize a light, bright glowing light, white or yellow, moving from the heart center all the way to the core of you. From one palm to another, connect and bridge yourself. Tether yourself to your being, to your breath in this present moment, right here, right now. Nice and steady breaths. Inhale awareness. Exhale stresses. With each inhale, welcome awareness. Invite clarity and calm into your mind and body. With each exhale, let go of worry, of tension, and of any laziness that may be floating around in your mind or your body. Feel your body starting to connect to this moment right here, where you are seated comfortably, relaxed, in complete awareness. Remind yourself, I am safe, I am supported, and I am exactly where I need to be. I am safe, I am supported, and I am exactly where I need to be. As you repeat that sentence, and you are welcome to repeat it as many times as your mind wants to connect with it. Don't limit yourself, don't try to count it. Just let your intuition guide you. Observe how your body feels when you utter the words safe and supported. Let your system start absorbing and embodying the sensation of being safe where you are and how you are, just as you are. Of being supported in this very moment as you are just now. The mind always needs to focus on something, and now we are going to set the tone for the rest of the day by setting basic, gentle, kind intentions, like a to-do list for your mind, like an energy to stay in, to move within for the rest of the day. The first thing I want you to do is ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? Allow answers to start floating up. Your mind will come up with a lot of scenarios. The list of wants and desires will be tall. And you may say that I want to feel this and this and this, but this and this. Take a pause now. To get to all those places, you need to be present in this moment. You need to be experiencing it fully to know that you have received the very thing that you asked for. So you're going to go through 2 cycles of visualizing and repeating this sentence to yourself. In your mind's eye, create the image of yourself walking through the entire day with energy, vitality, and mental clarity. And the mantra that you are going to repeat, the affirmation that you are going to carry with this visual through the day: I am grounded. I welcome peace and joy in the present moment. I am grounded. I welcome peace and joy in the present moment. Let your mind visualize yourself in your house, while traveling, at your workplace, with people you love, moving through all these scenarios for the rest of the day with the same sentiment. I am grounded. I welcome peace and joy in the present moment. Visualize yourself moving through the day with ease, with kindness, responding to every situation and scenario with grace, and staying rooted in calmness. We're now going to welcome our nervous system to regulate itself for the day. And we're going to encourage this flow of energy by gently massaging the temple, releasing the jaw, and allowing the shoulders to relax and release any remaining tension. You can repeat the process while telling yourself, I release that which keeps me stuck. I release that which keeps me stuck. And come back to massaging your temples clockwise, releasing the jaw, moving down towards your shoulders again, and repeating this cycle one more time. Now I want you to gently take your thumb and massage your pulse point at your wrist clockwise. First, massage the left wrist, 6 clockwise circles, while inhaling and exhaling steadily. I release that which keeps me stuck. Gently moving on to your right wrist and massaging it clockwise with your left thumb. Inhale, exhale gently. I release that which keeps me stuck. We are now going to place both our palms on our heart again and take a full deep breath. As you exhale, repeat, I am safe. I am rooted. I am enough. Taking another deep breath in. As you exhale, repeat the words, I am safe. I am rooted. I am enough. Bring your awareness to the warmth at the center of your palms that's radiating into your heart center. That is your energy, your prana that you have just woken, and you are allowing it to flow and channel into your system again. For the rest of the day, you can always come back to this posture, to this feeling of grounding your heart and reminding yourself that everything is in your control. Gently release your palms. Leave them open on your thighs. And now you're going to wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath in, interlock your fingers and stretch your hands above your head. Stretch like a happy puppy and allow your system to wake up. With your eyes closed, I want you to smile and stretch. Open up to this day. Welcome its energy and know that it's going to be exactly as it needs to be for you. Gently bring your palms together and rub them. Rub them vigorously, generate all that heat between your palms, and quietly, steadily place them upon your eyes. As you cup your eyes, remind yourself that for the rest of the day, I carry the sense of peace, warmth, and groundedness with me. Run your hands all over your being with kindness and affection, and gently open your eyes. Good morning. You are now ready for the day. Get moving and stay in your light.